Yeah, yeah, yeet. Yeah, 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 yeet, yeet. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I really messed up.
Yeah. Good one. What's the deal with the handcuffs, Kappa? What?
Wait, I thought you left those in the bedroom, Leslie.
Wait. Oh my. Edison, why do you have handcuffs in your car? Legit.
Oh, now you're asking that question, huh, Leslie? Interesting. Very convenient that suddenly you don't know what those handcuffs are there for, huh? Wow. Someone has selective memory, apparently.
Edison, I actually don't know where those came from. I swear on my eyes.
You're right.
Really, Edison, you're gonna play it this way.
Right. Wait,
really?
Wait, what's my name again?
Edison.
Where are
really?
Where am I driving to right now?
I don't have a selective.
No way. Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
Don't scare me!
You just opened that with your mouth! Are you kidding me?
That's so easy.
That's not easy. I have weak teeth. My teeth will. Oh!
You are fucking overreacted.
Are you kidding me? That's weird.
If this lands on green, I'll quit streaming forever.
You're not allowed to say I hate you.
Okay, fine. Alright, guys. Fine. Okay? Okay, guys, I'm bald, okay?
Give it a beat. Okay, good.
Guys. Okay. I'm tired, okay?
Tap on that. Be excited. Woo! TJ. Woo! Man. Look at that! Does it feel good though?
No.
Does it feel good? Hello?
Maybe I'm getting DDoSed. Psycho turned off my stream, apologized on Twitter. The usual PR moves. Called my internet company. Please help. They say, nothing's wrong. I say, you're a dumbass. Get me your manager. The manager says, there's still nothing wrong. You're a dumbass. Get me the CEO of Kojiko. The CEO says, how'd you get my number? You're also a dumbass. Fix my internet. I'm just kidding. But some of these people really did not know what they was talking about, okay? They out here like, have you tried turning it on and off? What is a dodos? It's called DDoS!
Oh, I miss Barnes sometimes. Okay, never mind. I was a joke. Don't actually bring up Barnes into Yash. Okay, I mean, look. Am I happy about this outcome? No. Alright, he needs to not have Eternal Servitude. There's two options. That's why I swiped. There's two options. How do you get Barnes into two Resurrects into two Lich Kings with the Barnes that's dead?
Fuck it, it's Fed's computer. If I get hacked, it's his fault. You motherfucker. You motherfucking bastard, okay, TV. I'll fuck you up, bro. Oh my fucking god.
What the?
side. What? Wait, EKAG. What? One more. Yes. Damn.
Dude, I like the CBC.
Okay,
Let's
no
freaking
proud.
go.
Proud.
CBC. I'm beta and I'm proud. I told my roommates, hey, like, I don't really appreciate people calling my dog a rat anymore. Could you guys stop the jokes and everything? And everyone was like, yeah, sure. Edison immediately removed his email. And they were all so accommodating and so nice. But when I told people on the internet that, they got kind of angry at me. Like, how dare you tell me not to call your dog a rat? I will do whatever I want. And you know, I get that out of haters and trolls, right? But some of my fans reacted this way, which was like so disappointing. So, I don't know, man. Some of them legit got angry at me for it. And then like, they responded so aggressively. Like, I'm literally just telling you, like, I don't like the joke, so please stop it now. And then they just, I don't know. It's just really disappointing how some people reacted. I thought it wasn't a hard request at all, but apparently it was, so.
So it goes Tiggy, Kinky, Kusher, Korean, Mustache, Wisa, and then Rahos and Blues. That's the last. If any team goes down, Skara and Janet, save us all.
Thanks for subbing, Lini.
Down. All right, back up. Skara with Sunny to the right.
A power matrix is ready for acquisition.
Oh wait, sorry, Skara, you're on the left.
The left?
One other person go with Skara.
You're actually what the fuck?
Also, stay a bit far from each other. There's a gibbering horror ad that needs to be damaged down.
Holy shit. I lost 90% of my health going up to try to go to the right, and then he told me it's on the left. I'm pissed. I'm still number 3 in damage.
It comes back, does it not? Tell me it comes back. No, don't do it! Please, not this again! I have no mats! I have no mats!
How badly do you want to live? How badly do you want to live? How badly do you want to live? Alright. You want to get up? Here. Catch it.
I'm so sad.
Alright, catch it. How badly do you want... All right, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go get some materials. I'll be right back.
Wait, which one is Celine? What did Celine get? Celine is the... Wait, Leslie, what are you doing?
I would ask you to reconsider mine.
Hey guys,
Wait, you just drew. Leslie, I just saw you.
Wait guys, what did she get?
Leslie,
Celine, you remember what you
what the fuck? Leslie, what the fuck? I just witnessed.